He's driving. Look at him.
Yeah, take a picture. These three are racing.
Yeah. Wow, you guys versus Sydney.
I'm first.
Sydney's first.
Sydney's first.
Keep going,
Sydney.
I'm first.
In the car. Wait.
I'm first, you know, not Sydney. I said I'm first on the thing. I'm first.
I need to sit down. Sit down and drive.
How can I help you, sorry?
No, she pressed the button.
I'll tell you what you do, Kelly. You distract your brother, make him crash his car. That's how you make it happen.
No, the bottom right.
Okay, you gotta let her drive.
2.
I crashed. Wow, Sydney, this is not driving the Save on Foods shopping cart.
She knows how to do that after a while, I think.
You wear the brakes for the car anyway.
Listen.
He's turning into the fence.
Let's see Sydney driving.
Well, just now I went 400.
Wow, Sydney, you keep crashing. It's a
Just now I
corner.
went 400.
Let her drive.
Okay, now do it. Let her go now.
There you go.
Yeah. Can you flip your
Turn.
car?
Cat, I have. Wait, is anyone in front of me? Yes.
Well, if you speed up a little bit, you'll see me.
No, I'm right in front of you, dude.
Meaning left him.
I beated you, right?
Look at us go ahead.
Did I pass you? Did I actually pass you?
Okay, let her play herself.
Sydney, you're going 330 kilometers per hour.
Let her play herself.
See Uncle Kevin.
Okay, you gotta let her go.
She's losing interest.